My name is Brad Kennedy. SisTech Manufacturing has been in operation since February 1st, 2009. We pride ourselves on quality, customer service, and unbeatable pricing. We believe that, again, the quality, the pricing, and the turnaround time that we do offer will prove to be a financial benefit to the customer as well as a monetary gain on their end. Our customers are very widespread. They cover all industrial segments, all military segments, and aerospace segments. We build communication systems for the different branches of the military. We build push-to-talk headsets for almost every branch of government and or the military. But on the other end of that, we build a very high volume gaming module that works hand in hand with the Xbox and the Sony PlayStation. The Europlacer is a super simplistic machine to use. From the smallest components up to some decently sized 2.5 by 2.5 inch components makes it just a robust machine across all of our customers' bandwidths and the types of products that they build. We specialize on higher runs but frequent setups. So it enables us to tear down and set up multiple jobs a day if need be, if the demand arises. Otherwise, it's just the consistent throughput that the machines have, and the constant uptime, not a lot of downtime, that keep the work flowing through the shop at a pretty steady pace. Again, the machine uptime, the flexibility of the machines, the throughput of the machines, and the quality and accuracy of the placement has contributed greatly to our less than 1% reject rate.
My name is Calvin Rabe. I'm the operations manager here at SisTech Manufacturing. From being able to do the optimization the way we want to while we're running the machines, the versatility and flexibility of the machines as far as being able to run any part number that I want to on each individual head, right? So I can take what I have loaded up here in the Atom or the Inyo, and I can move it over to the other XP and the Inyo over there and still be successful at running this. So the versatility of the intelligent feeders, the way you're able to handle the variety of parts, the different sizes from 01, 005s all the way up to large connectors and BGAs. The Europlacer platform, to me, exceeds all expectations on that.
I'm Brian Coart. I oversee operations, so I'm the head of operations. I oversee strategy, marketing, sales. The machines themselves are incredibly flexible with the high volume, low to high mix, which we run as a contract manufacturer. So we can offer services with the Europlacers the way we have them configured and the way that the machines are able to perform. They offer us the ability to do low prototype runs for customers anywhere, down to 5, 2 boards in some cases, all the way up to, we run almost 100,000 boards for another customer. Europlacer blends a lot of the aspects that you see on a high running machine as well as a prototyping line and combines it into a single package. The capability of also tracking the data, which is something that I look at, the production management software system allows us to track parts, look at our scrap rate, look at our cycle time on a lot of the products as well as the associated throughput. It is something that is incredibly important to track from a financial as well as an operational standpoint, and Europlacer provides all that flexibility.
For how we run product here at SisTech, the Europlacer platform is actually ideal for the optimization, the quick changeovers, and the repeatability and the accuracy of the vision system, and the ease of use. Very reliable machine. If something does happen to it, you usually can find the problem relatively quickly.
The service from Europlacer has been impeccable over the last several decades. They've provided no questions asked phone support. They've had service techs on site as the need arises. They provide software updates on an as needed and as required basis. Then I've always got the ability to reach out to the president of Europlacer North America, and he always does whatever he can to take care of our needs immediately. I've probably sold more Europlacer equipment than some of the salespeople out there. I tell them the same thing. I tell them that they can't go wrong, that the equipment's unbeatable, that it's going to be easy for them to set up and even easier for them to train their operators on how to use. And as long as they follow the recommended PM schedules and stuff, that the machine will run indefinitely. I've got machines that have been in service for 10 plus years, and the only reason I've taken them out of service was not because they were starting to have placement errors or giving me any quality issues. It was strictly to upgrade to the newer platforms.